Gloria. Gloria. Where'd you go?
Victoria, do the game.
I can't find her. Oh. Sandy came. And it's snowing outside.
Oh my God.
Hey.
You can't see the plants over there. Or you can't see you can't see the plants where the sidewalk is.
Oh, are they covered with snow?
Yeah.
Oh. You want to go see what Santa left?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go see what wrapping paper. Look, he left it.
What is that?
He left it.
I think it's for you.
Santa left it.
What is it?
Is there any more presents?
Yeah, there's different presents under there.
You know what that big thing is?
No.
It's a dollhouse for you to play with.
I'm kidding.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it opens.
I think you just have to hold it still.
Yeah.
No, I did it, Dad.
Good job.
I'm gonna wash this.
Okay.
Watch the kitty bed.
Oh, because the kitty pooped in there.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
What's on the other side?
There's rooms on the other side, too.
Make things in the oven.
I don't see the other presents.
There's lots of other presents. Look, go around to the other side real quick.
Daddy!
Uh-huh.
I found one, look!
Oh.
This one's from Santa.
It is.
We'll
Okay.
see which ones are from Santa. Look on the other side, maybe.
Look on the other side of the dollhouse real quick. There's rooms over there, too. Can you get back there?
Yeah. Dad, look!
What is that?
It's a room for... Look!
What is that? It's a potty.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Dad, I wanted to show you... Look,
Oh, yeah.
there's no other seat.
There's no other seat?
No,
Oh.
for girls to go play.
Oh, I see.
There's no other seat.
No, I think it's...
That one's just for girls.
Yeah.
There's no seat to lift up. All the girls can sit right there. It's perfect, just for girls.
Uh-huh. I think... Boys can go right here too, or
Yeah.
girls.
Yeah, you're right.
I closed it.
All right.
The baby has to go in the bathtub.
Okay.
Oh. Can we get that?
The baby has to go potty. I'll hold her on.
Okay. All right.
Look, she's going potty.
Okay. Good job, baby.
Hey, she's putting her feet in me.
Oh, silly baby.
Putting her feet in me.
Yeah.
This is yellow.
Silly, silly baby.
Look, here's Pawpaw.
The baby has to go in the little bed. And Papa has to go in the big bed.
Where's the big sister's room?
Oh, the big sister sleeps right here.
The big sister has her own room. The big sister's room is pink.
Yeah.
See the top bed? The top bunk?
Big sister has a bunk bed.
Yeah.
She can use the ladder to get down out of bed.
And Papa sleeps in the big bed. Hey!
And Daddy's in his office. Daddy's in the study.
There are two beds. There are two beds.
Mm-hmm. It's called a bunk bed.
So Papa's sleeping with big sister? Where's baby sister?
She's back there.
She has a crib.
Where's her crib?
It's green. You find it? Go all the way around. It's the very top, baby. It rocks. Her crib rocks. There you go.
A fan.
The fan. There's a fan in the middle.
Yeah, who's sitting on the couch?
Hey, she has to go. I'm gonna put the potty upstairs.
Okay. In the bathroom.
Mommy has to go potty. Yeah, put it in the bathroom, baby.
And then everybody walks to the bathroom. It's over here with the bathtub.
Bathtub is upstairs.
Oh.
But it is the potty.
Victoria, you have to find Big Brother, too. Where's Big Brother?
Or just
Okay. There you go. There's stairs around. There you go.
Who's underneath the stairs?
Doggy. Doggy. Doggy.